This is $250 mediocrely spent. This is $250 decently spent. And this is the best $250 you can spend for anyone who owns a Mark 6 Golf or GTI from Volkswagen. The RCD330 Radio upgrade is one you'll see recommended all over the internet for really good reason. You'll see people recommend this on Reddit, on random old school forums, and my previous YouTube video. First, let me show you what it can do. Then we'll talk about one thing it can't do that I actually kind of cared about, and then I'll show you the install, which took literally 20 minutes, and I am technically inept when it comes to doing car upgrades, especially electronic ones. Hey Siri, play music. We can't do that because of copyright, and I don't even listen to Bieber, so don't worry about it. But I can happily show you guys how responsive the screen is, even though it doesn't have multi-touch. See, tapping and scrolling is perfectly sensitive, like getting tickled on your neck. Ugh. I know, cringy analogy, but hey, it works. Hey Siri, navigate to the Staples Center. She got that. But oh yeah, you have to keep your phone plugged in. But that's totally normal in almost any car with CarPlay, even the newer VWs. I think BMW is the only one with wireless CarPlay. Let me know if you know something different. If you just want your phone calls and music, Bluetooth still works totally fine, and it's very easy to set up. No need to worry about the steering wheel buttons because they still work well. I can click it to enable Siri, I can click it to change songs, and the volume goes up, and the volume goes down. Yeah, it still does AM and FM radio, whatever that stands for, and you can set presets easily using the touchscreen, and the dialer is even pretty convenient without CarPlay since you can store up to 4 of your friends on favorites in speed dial. The physical buttons on the left and right are really nice, have a solid feel to them, and you can even hear the knobs when you turn them. It's a really nice head unit. Now, in case you're worried about your higher-end Dynaudio speakers not working properly, stop worrying. That's what held me back from upgrading for an entire year, and I'm happy to say it works perfectly fine. See, you can even adjust the bass and the treble to your liking. And I'm no Meghan Trainor, but I'm still all about that bass. It does all these fancy tricks and does them well. CarPlay brought my car from 2012 to 2020, but this Valentine's Day, I'm only going to be missing one thing. And that's the nav button for my old head unit. Keeping my phone in my pocket and having nav built into the car was nice. Could you not, complain about a first world problem? Because who cares? This CarPlay nav is so much better, and you can use Waze. Oh yeah. Good call. Alright, moving on to the installation. Install is literally just 6 steps. Step 1, remove the trim with a plastic trim removal tool, or be resourceful and wrap a blade with some bubble wrap, but I don't recommend that. Step 2, unscrew the 4 Torx screws. Step 3, unplug the cables from the back of the old unit. Step 4, plug those cables into the RCD330 using the included adapter. Step 5, pop it in and screw those 4 screws in. Step 6, replace the plastic trim. And that's it, you're done. It's literally that easy. Voila.
Whoa.
You got a super up-to-date car, you got CarPlay, your sound system still works great, it looks factory because it's from the VW factory, and it's the best upgrade you can get for your car.